welcome to For the Birds with Richard Cole. Unfortunately, Richard could not make it today, but he does send his congratulations to everyone whose photo made it into the Cole's 2023 calendar contest. So today, I do want all of you to be really interactive, congratulate each other, let us know where you're watching from, and share it out on your Facebook page if you get a chance, because this is really something special for all the people who made it to this Cole's 2023 calendar. And I'm going to tell you, we had some beautiful contest entries. This was some very tough competition, so a very heartfelt congratulations to everyone who made it into the calendar, as well as our first, second, and third place winners, which we'll go over that as well. And then on today's abbreviated show, we will also leave you with pictures of all of our semifinalists. And we do want to, just a quick reminder that this is a great time to get out and take pictures with the fall leaves. It's beautiful. We always need more fall and winter photographs, and we love to depict the seasons with the photographs of the birds. So now, without further ado, let's go through all of our calendar winners. And this is our photo contest winner. And I love this because it's not a bluebird or goldfinch or cardinal, which are so popular because of their vivid colors, but it is a beautiful song sparrow, and it was photographed by Ron Foltz. So congratulations to you. This is just a beautiful picture, and it looks like he's right in the middle of his song. Again, a reminder, please interact with us. Let us know where you are, where you're watching from, and please congratulate all of our winners. We would love to see a lot of interaction on today's show. So, yeah, we've got Marilyn Diaz watching from North Carolina, and we've got John Powers. Good afternoon from High Grove, Georgia. Thank you. Thank you for letting us know. Now we've got, for January 2023, Downy Woodpecker by Kimberly Fowler. That is beautiful. We love the snow in the background. We love to see birds that are eating Cole's products, but we just love the picture because it stands out and it really depicts that cold January winter. So congratulations to Kimberly. And the classic Cardinal in the Snow, you can't beat it. This is a Northern Cardinal by Marilyn Diaz. And congratulations, Marilyn. That is a name I see often. So congratulations to you. That is fantastic. What a beautiful picture. And for March, we have this beautiful picture of an indigo bunting from Berline, Poland. And we love just the colors. It's so beautiful, that contrast. And these are beautiful birds. And again, I want to remind you, everybody who's watching today, please share out this show, especially if you have one of the winners. This is a lot to be proud of. And we also want you to stay interactive with us throughout this abbreviated show today. So beautiful indigo bunting. And next for April, the Pine Warbler by David Borders. You can't beat these pretty little pine warblers. They look so nice. And right in the middle, it just reminds me of the spring and how the birds are just out feeding. They love to eat suet in the spring. So great photograph. Thank you, David. And for May 2023, Brown Thrashers by Sherry Rosen. Congratulations. I love these pictures of the mother and feeding her young, or maybe this is the father feeding the young. Richard Cole would know that. I can't tell by looking, but at any rate, what a beautiful picture that depicts the springtime, because this is when the birds are having their young and feeding their young. Great picture, and congratulations, Sherry. And now to June, you always have to have that Eastern Bluebird. This is by Lydia Lively. What a beautiful, I love this picture because she is right up in that little bird's face. And you just have to wonder what he's thinking. What a beautiful picture. I love these that really show the personality of the birds. And now for July, this is a Red-Headed Woodpecker by Jay Potlock. And I love the iridescent color of this. It looks so good. Again, a reminder to you guys, if you're watching, just to interact with us. Let us know where it is you're watching from. And, you know, I hope you'll congratulate all of the winners today. And again, what a beautiful picture and a lot of color contrast there. And now for August, you cannot get through the summer without a great picture of a hummingbird. This one is a ruby-throated hummingbird by Renee Stuckey. And I love the vibrant colors in this one, and what a great moment that she's captured there. Now, the American Robin is such a classic, and this is a great photograph by Christy Eisen. And I love the blue berries in this to contrast with that beautiful orange breast on that American Robin. And what a great picture for the fall to get us started into the fall. You can't beat a great picture like this for the month that has Halloween. I love the eyes. I love the iridescence. This is such a great picture of a bronzed cowbird by Brandy Doolittle. And you might think that unless it's one of those pretty colorful small songbirds that you won't make it into the Kohl's calendar. But, you know, we're all fortunate that Brandy Doolittle didn't think that way and submitted this gorgeous picture. Now for November, this is a house finch by Linda Robbins. What a great picture. I love all the colors in this one. And what a great way to depict the fall with this. Our December, we've got to have that classic, beautiful Eastern Bluebird by Kenny Fay. And I love the berries in this one and all the different colors, and what a great way to depict a really cold and snowy month with this kind of picture. And just another reminder that winter is one of those seasons where we can't get enough photographs. You guys send in some amazing photographs, but you know, let's face it, it's not as comfortable to be outside during the winter taking photographs, so maybe that's why we don't get as many winter photographs. This is beautiful though. And then January of 2024, another gorgeous northern cardinal by Kelly Crone. So thank you all. Congratulations to all of you. I love that last picture with all the snow around, and northern cardinal in the snow is just such an incredibly beautiful sight. And what an honor it is to make it into our Kohl's 2023 calendar. We love this calendar because it's high quality. It's such a great thing now that everybody's using digital calendars to actually have a physical paper calendar. So for those of you who are thinking about, well, maybe I didn't make it into the calendar this time, we really want to encourage you to submit your pictures, to go out this fall and winter and get some great pictures. You can go to our website. It's not out yet, of course, but we will be telling you about how to enter, and you can see some details from this past calendar photo contest. We do this every year and we absolutely love it. We have some great prizes. This is a great way to be able to, you know, get some beautiful things from Kohl's as far as the food and the feeders. These are wonderful prizes that you get, but there's also something just really special about having your picture in the calendar. And we also do want to go through our first, second, and third place winners. Our first place is this beautiful picture of an Eastern Bluebird, and this is by Kenny Fay. This is so pretty. And of course, Jay Potlock's second place red-headed woodpecker. And our third place was Renee Stuckey's ruby-throated hummingbird. And what beautiful pictures. Now, all of you on social media voted for our first, second, and third place winners. And then we determined, the people at Kohl's, not me, but the people at Kohl's determined which pictures actually made it into the calendar. And we had so many high quality, beautiful photographs. And we want to thank everyone who participated in the contest. And if we don't, I'm going to check to see if there's any new comments before we leave you with pictures of all of the birds. We're going to show you again all of the calendar winners, and then we're going to show you all of the semifinalists as well. Just a quick reminder, I don't see any more additional comments, but a quick reminder that, and please share this out. If you're watching it maybe tomorrow or the next day, go ahead and share it out on your social media, and particularly if you had one of the pictures in the calendar that's coming up, and let your friends know that you made it into the Kohl's calendar. That's quite an honor. But anyway, Richard should be here next month. He's here every first Wednesday of the month at 3 o'clock, of course, to answer all of your birding questions. And Richard knows the answer to just about anything you could ask. Thanks for joining us today. And like I said, we'll leave you with those pictures.
Hello, this is Richard Cole. I want to thank each of you for watching, and I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share it.